Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Now we are getting to mention, 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser gets wild-looking body kit from Liberty Walk, but before I even have to ask you to subscribe and leave your like, let's attend the video. Bless you, Liberty Walk. Whenever a Japanese automaker launches a stimulating, new product, the body kit maker introduces parts to offer the machine a wild look. The styling is seldom attractive, but is usually interesting. The 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser is the latest vehicle to urge this treatment. Liberty Walk tweaks the front with a replacement lower fascia with fog lights along rock bottom corners. There's also a replacement grille with black mesh and a crosspiece connecting the lower edges of the headlights across the nose of the SUV. A Liberty Walk badge occupies the spot between this bar and therefore the hood. The company also offers a carbon fiber hood as a part of the body kit. Fender flares are a standard element to Liberty Walk designs, and that they show over here too. The pieces make the body make tons more muscular. From the rear angle, you'll get a far better check out the outlets within the backs of the fender flares. Liberty Walk also adds spoilers to the roof and below the car window. Below the bumper, there is a diffuser and an exhaust outlet with a trapezoidal shape on all sides. Liberty Walk offers this kit in several bundles. The smallest amount expensive version includes the front fascia, rear diffuser, exhaust tips, and fender flares for $6,270. An offering that adds the grille and both rear spoilers to the remainder of the parts is $8,580. Finally, buyers can add the carbon fiber hood with everything else for $14,080. For $5,500, customers can add the set of wheels that Liberty Walk shows on this Land Cruiser. They feature a black finish and have a design with multiple pairs of spokes. If you favor milder updates to the Land Cruiser, Toyota's Modelista division already features a less ostentatious body kit for the new SUV. The Corporate also has some new wheel options. So that's it guys, comment what you think that of this text, and do not forget to click like and subscribe the channel. Thank you such a lot for watching.